What's good, YouTube? Today I'm going to be talking about the 88 through 94 double din bezel that I installed in my C1500. I have missing clips that I lost somehow, so the video is going to be kind of shitty. It's going to kind of jump around, but you'll pretty much get the idea of all the cutting that's necessary and things you have to do to install it. But anyway, I'm going to be talking about my likes and dislikes. Well, overall, I like it, but there's some things that could have been, done a little better. They send you this, which kind of acts as a stencil. Down at the bottom, you take something, a marker or a pen, and outline it all the way around. Once you outline it, you remove this and you cut out the bottom section of it so that the kit and the CD player will fit in there flush. Alright, so I'm going to use this cutting disc, a small cutting disc, to cut the bottom section of the dash out, which I have somewhat marked. And see you guys when I get done with that. I can't record and cut, so see you in a second. All right, I have the bottom section cut out. It looks raggedy, but it'll work. Now I have to remove this Phillips head screw. Snap this in place so that the bezel will snap in and secure itself to the dash. Alrighty guys, here's the finished product. Only issues I have with it is that the factory clamps that come with this double din bezel, it's not strong enough to support the weight of the double din itself. Clamps here, and the two that goes up top. The double din is a little too heavy for it, so what I ended up doing was putting 2 screws on the bottom to help support the weight of the double din, which I'm going to eventually get some better screws that has a flush mount to it so they won't be showing and sticking down at the bottom of it, which is kind of tacky. But there you go. That's what you end up with. Overall, I like it though. No complaints, really. And for those of you who follow my channel, oh, the door squeaky as fuck, yeah. Kind of let you see some of the latest things I've done to the truck, such as the hood scoop. Put the eye rocks all the way around on it. Post the videos of the exhaust. About to get ready for paint, sunroof, and some more things. So stay tuned. Peace.